Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and I'm really excited to present you today with beautiful Audi approved A5 Cabriolet S-Line 2.0 Petrol engine what we have in stock. It gives off 190 PS and we're going to start by giving you a 360 overview about this stunning vehicle and then talk a little bit more about the interior. So starting at the front of the vehicle, we have got this striking LED headlights with the rear LED headlights and dynamic rear indicators, giving you maximum visibility at all times, with a beautiful, really contrasting well-chromed grille. Around the side of the vehicle, we've got the optional extra from new, which is the upgraded alloys, which a 19-inch 5-parallel sport can look absolutely incredible at all times out on the roads. With the electrical adjustable door mirrors, which are heated, perfect for those winter months ahead, as well as the built-in LED indicators just for your convenience. This A5 convertible is finished in the beautiful glacier white metallic paint finish and looks absolutely incredible today. Moving on into the back, where you'll be able to push the seat forward electrically. Your passengers will be able to enjoy the leather and Alcantara seats in the back, with the icy fixed points. The little ones will be safe at all times, as well as the climate control and the charging point. So your passengers will never be without the love devices on the go, and they'll be able to sort out their own temperature, so they'll be able to get it perfect in the back. It is a very spacious vehicle in the back. But moving to the rear end of the vehicle, we have got the rear parking sensors, ensuring maximum confidence for the driver whilst parking up in any tight spot or manoeuvring, with a sport suspension, perfect for the driver's experience on the go. But moving on, we can see it definitely does not disappoint either with the size of the boot. It's very practical, but very generous at the same time, considering we have got the roof, what goes into here as well. We've got added storage on the right hand side, and you'll also be able to put the seats down for added storage, especially for those larger items. The hood on this A5 is fully automatic and the buttons are inside, and it is finished in black. Moving on into the front, we are greeted by such a luxurious interior with the leather and Alcantara front sport seats with the embossed logo on the top. These seats are all electrically adjustable, so you'll be able to get that perfect position, especially with the 4-way lumbar support. So now that concludes the 360 walk around about this stunning vehicle, and now it's time to dig a little bit more back inside about the interior. Back inside, we've got the door mirror controls, so one twist of the button, the door mirrors will automatically turn in, so it's perfect if you do happen to find yourself fitting into a tight spot, as well as the automatic headlights, making sure every single journey is as effortless as possible. To the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have got the cruise control, so it's never been so peaceful and joyful on those long motorway journeys home, especially with the steering wheel control. So from the left hand side, be able to change the digital dashboard, and from the right, activate voice control and answer those important phone calls. We've got the gear shift paddles as well as the automatic rain sensors, so that's another thing you won't have to worry about. Right in front of the driver, here is where it lies, the digital dashboard, where it maximises on the convenience for the driver. This A5 has done 26,312 miles and comes with 2 sets of keys. Moving onwards, we have got the Multimedia Interface, what houses the sat-nav, so it'll get you from A to B with route guidance. The telephone interface, so it allows you to make those hand-free calls and never miss another important phone call again, as well as the media players to be able to connect all your favourite and loved devices on the go through different sources of options, and the DAB digital radio, so you'll be able to scroll through, find your favourites on FM and DAB and add it to your favourites for next time as a little shortcut. And we have got the rear view camera, which was an optional extra from new, which makes parking up or manoeuvring super easy, so you'll know all your surroundings. Further on, we have got the 3-zone deluxe climate control, so you and your passenger in the front will be able to have both sides of the car in a different temperature, as well as set the rear temperature and also put your heated seats on just as another added luxury with the 3 different settings. We have got the keyless go, automatic S-tronic gearbox with the electrical mechanical parking brake and the soft top controls, as well as the front centre armrest. So thank you for watching this video on this A5 convertible, which is part of the Audi approved use scheme. This includes a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside with flexible finance packages. So for a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive now, please contact us on 01254 868 216, and thank you for watching.